Did you know that there is a feature in CANape that will make your work a lot easier, especially when you calibrate ECUs? Stay tuned! Hello and welcome to this video. My name is Nick. Today we will talk about dataset management in CANape. Before diving deeper, we first need to define what we mean by a dataset. In measurement and calibration, a dataset refers to a defined combination of files that together form the basis for communication with the ECU. A dataset typically consists of an A2L file, which contains the description of measurement and calibration objects, communication parameters, and the structure of the ECU. The second component is the hex file, which contains the current software version or parameter values of the ECU. When working with multiple ECUs or projects, it's essential to have a solution that efficiently manages datasets and provides full traceability. Dataset management ensures that the complete history of each dataset is always accessible. This makes collaboration and development much smoother. You can easily switch between datasets, instantly view all parameters, and identify the connected ECUs. Gain a clear overview of all parameter changes to ensure every adjustment is traceable. Manage different software versions and datasets with built-in version control, and restore original values when needed using the initial state rollback. The initial state of a dataset sets the foundation for all calibration activities. As you make changes, the dataset evolves and reflects updated parameter values. CANape tracks these changes by comparing the current dataset with the initial state. To detect differences, CANape uses checksums. These verify whether the dataset in CANape matches the data in the ECU RAM. This check is automatically triggered when a connection between CANape and the ECU is established. While working online, CANape continuously monitors whether the ECU flash matches the current dataset or the initial state, especially during page switching, which refers to switching between flash and RAM. If you're curious about how page switching works, check out the linked video for a deeper dive. To keep things simple, CANape uses status colors, in which green means that everything matches and blue indicates a difference. All calibration data and database files are automatically saved in a dedicated dataset folder. Original files from other locations remain untouched, ensuring that dataset management only works with the data stored in this folder. Let's switch to CANape to activate the dataset management. If you're setting up a new device, simply use the device creation wizard. You'll find a checkbox labeled Activate Dataset Management there. Click it and you're ready to go. For existing projects, navigate to Calibration in the ribbon bar, and under Datasets, click Start. To explore your datasets in more detail, go to the Symbol Explorer and use the context menu of the Datasets folder. Or go to the Calibration tab and select Display, which opens the dataset in VCDM Studio. Here all details are available for even deeper insights. One more important info. For offline use cases, the icons look like this. If your dataset is inactive, it is grayed out. And if a parameter was modified, you will find the asterisk on the left top. For your online use case, the icon looks slightly different. There is a small display with two state boxes on the bottom right. If both status boxes are green, no parameters in the dataset were modified. If an asterisk is shown, you know that at least one parameter was modified. Additionally, if the left status box is blue, it means that the ECU RAM differs from the dataset, but the ECU flash is equal to the reference dataset. With this new knowledge, you can now start your own dataset management. Please contact us if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Interested in online and offline calibration too? We have prepared a nice video for you. Check it out on the Vector Tech Tutorial channel and don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell.